Got our Z06 bumper off, getting our first looks under here. Kind of looks like a Iron Man going on back here.
Iron Man.
Good news for us is it looks like there's a lot of room for improvement on this system here. We're going to get a jig made up here so that I can get the placement of the tips perfect on our system. So let's make it happen. Got our stock system laid out on the ground here. Looks like it's a 3-inch system from the factory, which is pretty good diameter, but we can definitely improve on that. We're gonna go with some bigger diameter tubing, straighten out some of these bins, simplify it quite a bit, and we should save a good amount of weight in the process. So, looks like I got my work cut out for me. Let's get to it. After a fair bit of testing, we got our final iteration right here. Got dual 80 mil tube from the cat's back, smoothed out all these bins here, and kept the valve functionality with some big bore valves there. The valves will divert then through these 70 mil sections for the outer tips. Speaking of the tips, as you can see, we don't have any fancy tips on here right now. We've got our UK team working on some very nice 4.5-inch slash cut tips just for this system. Now the main benefit you're gonna get with this is weight savings over the OE. Now, let's get this thing outside so you guys can hear it for yourselves.